What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be going over FreeStyle Libre, and maybe you know about it, maybe you don't, but today, if you don't know about it, I'm going to help you understand exactly what it is. If you're on the market for a sensor and you're tired of poking your fingers all the time to check your glucose, you might want to look into FreeStyle Libre sensors. Now, this is the box. This is what it looks like. It comes with a little mechanism like this. And essentially what you would do is you would take this after you rub the alcohol on your skin, and it goes right on the side of your arm, kind of where your tricep is, toward the back. You would just push it down like this until it clicks, and it will shoot a sensor in your arm that looks like this. This one right here is the size of a FreeStyle Sensor 1 and 2. The one that I actually have in my hand, I don't know if you can see very well, but it says right there, it is a FreeStyle Libre 2, okay? It's made by Abbott, and very, very reasonable and very affordable. And I think after the discount that they give you, with the FreeStyle Libre, I think I pay like $32.99. It lasts for 2 weeks. So you're looking at about, what is that? $64 a month if you get the discount that I've been getting for the last 3 years. I'm nobody special, so I'm sure you can get the same discount if you call them and set the whole coupon deal up with your pharmacy. So anyways, this is what it looks like. That's how big it is. It just goes on the back of your arm like this. I like it on the back left side of my arm because I'm right-handed. So basically you have an app that you download, and it's an iOS, and I don't think it's available right now for Android. I could be wrong, but I do not think it's available for the Google Play Store. So, but if you have an iPhone, you can use your iPhone as the reader. If you don't, Abbott does have a reader for these sensors. So you just take your phone, open up the application, stick it close to the sensor, and it'll read your blood sugar, okay? It's been an absolute huge, great blessing and a big major change than having to poke my finger all the time to check my glucose. Now, I don't know if you noticed, now this is an old used sensor, okay? But if you notice on the top, there's a little needle there, and you can touch it and it just bends, okay? That's what reads your glucose. But when you first put it on, it's hard, obviously, because that's what stabs into your skin. It doesn't hurt, guys. Listen, I know you're probably thinking, I would never stick my arm with that thing ever. Like I said, the mechanism that you push down, it automatically just shoots that little sensor into your arm, and it's got adhesive and it sticks, and it is waterproof, guys. Now, I have noticed over the last 3 years in the summer when I get really, really hot and I'm sweating, it's so easy for that thing just to fall off, okay? I've also had times where I've walked around a corner into a room and accidentally hit the door jamb and it falls right off. Once it comes off and it's out of your skin, it's done. There's nothing you can do about it. In the last month or two, they've come out with a FreeStyle Libre 3, okay? It has the same mechanisms. The box is about this big. That one that I just showed you is, it's bigger. But this little cube box that it comes in, it's got the same type of mechanism. You just, you pull it out, you stick it in your arm, it shoots it. But here's the big change. If you look on my arm right here, that's how small it is. See that? Let me put the one beside it. Big difference. Very more discreet. And I love it, guys. This is the first one I've had. Like I said, it just came out. Really, really nice being so discreet, but that's not the thing that I love the most about it. The thing that I love the most about it is I never have to scan the sensor ever again. If I'm so many feet away from it with my phone will actively, in real time, always check my glucose. So first time I took my phone out to try to scan it, it didn't even have a scanner on it. It just automatically, when I opened the app, told me what my glucose was. So big major game changer for me because I get to read my glucose all the time without poking myself. I can do it throughout the night. And so another cool thing about this sensor, if you don't know about the FreeStyle Libre sensors, is when your blood sugar is crashing, it will beep and alarm your phone if you have iOS and have the app. If not, it will also alert your sensor that your blood sugar is crashing. So I get that sometimes in the middle of the night, it'll start beeping and I know my blood sugar is going low. When my blood sugar is crashing on my Apple Watch, if you have one, I have the app on here too, so it'll pop up and say, caution, glucose low. But what's cool about it is it also, beside it, shows what my glucose is. So like say it's 62, I can look at my watch and see that it is 62, okay? So what are my thoughts on this? Well, if you haven't figured out from what I'm saying already and how happy I am about this, I absolutely love it. I think it's a great thing. I think it's an affordable thing. I think a lot of people have not been able to do the continuous glucose monitoring because it's just too dang expensive. A lot of insurances don't cover it. So this right here, most people can afford. And you don't even have to worry about insurance covering it because they do have a manufacturer's coupon. So that's my review today. I hope it helps you out. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, this will be a great time to do it. Go ahead and like this video. Go over there and hit the notification bell because I am posting videos almost every day, at least 2 or 3, 4 times a week. And it's about reviews on diabetes, the Mounjaro, which if you haven't checked it out, I'll drop a link below. It's the hottest thing out right now. Massive weight loss, incredible A1C. First time in 13 years since I've been a diabetic, I don't have to take medicines after I eat. That 1 shot a week, it does it for me. It's incredible. It keeps my blood sugar in check. So if you've never heard of Mounjaro, you got to check it out. And I'm going to drop a link, like I said, below in the description for you to check it out. I have got a video on it. I have a video on Farxiga if you're a diabetic and you're still just maybe taking metformin, maybe you're taking a long-lasting basal insulin at night, maybe they're not working very well for you and you're looking for something else. Farxiga might be a great option for you. It's really cheap and it's a pill form. You take it 1 time a day. I'll drop a link below for the video I did on that as well. So guys, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop a comment below. I would love to answer your questions. If you have any other ideas of reviews that you would like me to check out, drop a comment below on that. If you are a guy and you have a beard or you like grooming products, I do a lot of those reviews as well. So guys, I love doing this. It's a fun thing to do. I love sharing my experiences with you. That way you can take my experience and knowledge that I've gained and apply it to whatever you're dealing with as far as your diabetes goes. So go check the FreeStyle Libre sensor out. Check the 3rd one out, the latest. It is incredible. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you stayed to the end, you are awesome and amazing. So guys, I will catch you in the next video. Have a great day. See you.